Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about tomorrow's market analysis, that is for 29th of May. So I'll be telling you the Nifty 50 support and resistance level based on my unique calculation, and also the two stocks what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. I'll be telling you how to trade on those stocks as well and how to find out the levels. So please make sure this video is only for educational purpose. So before you trade or invest on the stocks or the trade, you can do your own analysis as well. So first, now let's talk about the Nifty 50. So what you have to do is once the market opens at 9:15 a.m., just see the Nifty 50 opening price and add opening price plus 180. So that is the maximum high what the Nifty can go for tomorrow, and also you can treat it as maximum resistance level, and opening price minus 180 to find out the maximum low, that is the maximum support what the Nifty 50 can get for tomorrow, and opening price plus 90 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 90 to find out the key support for the Nifty 50. Okay, so this is the calculation what you can do for the Nifty 50 to find out the market levels. So on the previous day, you can see the market has gone in a very bullish way, and yes, tomorrow once the market opens, you can just draw the line on your chart based on this, and you will get to know where the support and key resistance level is. And now I'll be telling you the two stock what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So guys, please make sure these two stocks are the stocks which I'm asking you to observe. The trade what I'll be taking tomorrow will be different trades. Okay, and also if you guys wish to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today. So if you guys want to learn the process of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit in intraday trading. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with the live market guidance as well. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced, so it's the amount what you spend in a month for eating your favorite snack or a fast food. Okay, and also once you join us, you will be getting the daily live market guidance with me. So you can go inside my channel and watch everyday live trading videos what I uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. So guys, as by being said that, now let's talk about the first stock what I selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So that will be Grasim. So for Grasim, what you have to do is just see the opening price at 9:15 and add opening price plus 50 to find out the maximum high what the stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price minus 50 to find out the maximum low what the stock can go for tomorrow, and opening price plus 25 to find out the key resistance, and opening price minus 25 to find out the key support level for the Grasim stock. Okay, so now let's talk about the second stock, that will be Dabur. Okay, so for the Dabur, what you have to do is once the market opens, just see the opening price plus add opening price plus 16 to find out the maximum high, and opening price minus 16 to find out the maximum low, and opening price plus 8 to find out the key resistance level, and opening price minus 8 to find out the key support level for the stock. And now I'll be telling you how to trade on this level. And also please note guys, this video is only for educational purpose, and also you have to take a trade only when this level comes, not before that. So I'll just give an example how you should trade on this. And also, if you guys want to learn the proper way of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us today, and I'll be guiding you personally, and I'll be guiding you a lot of other techniques and strategies once you join us. Let's assume a stock is touching a key support or resistance level or a maximum low and high level. So once that line touches, so this is the example what I'm showing for a buy. Okay, once the support line touches, and if you see the next good green candle forming, and if this green candle high breaks, then you can consider to buy a stock and keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. So this is the example for buying. And for short selling, what you have to do is, if the stock touches any of the key resistance level or the maximum high level, so wait for the red candle to form. Okay, in the resistance line, once the stock touches a resistance line, you should see a red candle to form, and once that red candle low gives a breakout, then you can short sell and keep 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss. Okay, so guys, this is only for observation purpose, and if you guys want to learn my unique way of trading, and if you guys want to enter in any time of a day and want to identify a correct stock for intraday trading, you can join my course. In my course, I'll teach And also you can go to the link in the description of this video and go inside my blog, and there you can see the earning proof and feedback from my clients, what they have given us once they have joined and they're able to make constant profit. Okay, so even if you also wish to earn constant profit like this from today, you can join us now by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed. Okay, guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do, so you can see all the performance. And if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.